Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another tutorial. My name is Megan and today we are doing a DIY beaded plant hanger. I love this plant hanger. I do a lot of macrame stuff here on my channel, but this is not macrame. It is in the style of macrame. You will see if you have made a macrame plant hanger before that this will be even easier for you to make because it just sort of mimics that same design but without the knot. I think it's really fun because you can use it pretty much anywhere in your home, but I think it would be really nice in a nursery. You can stain the beads, you can paint them. There's a lot of flexibility with this project. I would love to see what you guys come up with if you do something different than I did. Please post on Instagram and tag me in it. I am at Belle and Cotton. I would love to see your creations. If you're new here, thank you for watching. I do all sorts of things on this channel. Some home decor, I'm a mom, I do lots of DIY videos, and there's some macrame here on this channel. I will link some macrame tutorials below. I have a feeling that if you like this tutorial that you will also like some of the macrame plant hanger tutorials that I have available. As always, everything that I use for this project is going to be linked below in the description box so you can find all that information there. Please make sure that you subscribe if you like what I'm doing here, that you like this video, and let's get started. For this project, you're gonna need wooden beads. These smaller ones here are 9mm and the larger ones are 16mm. I had a hard time finding them in craft stores, but I did find them on Amazon, so I will link those below for you. And then you'll also need a pair of scissors and some fishing line. You'll need to cut 4 lengths of your fishing line. I cut each one to be 120 inches. And then you're gonna bundle those together and you're gonna find the very center of those. And what I did was I just used a clear piece of tape and I just wanted to mark that center piece so that I didn't lose it. And then you're gonna start loading your beads on, and I'm using the smaller ones, and you're just loading it onto one side, so you're just lacing 4 strands through. I'm gonna put 24 of the small beads on, and then you're gonna push it all the way to that center point. And what I did was I went ahead and just cut off that excess tape there, and I just wanted to make sure that I had those beads in that very center area and I didn't have to worry about the tape anymore at that point. So now you have the very top of your plant hanger, and this is going to be actually where it goes onto the hook. And now I'm going to take one of the larger beads and I'm going to lace all 8 strands through it. So it's going to combine all of your fishing line together and close that little loop that you had created. Then you'll add 3 more larger beads the same way, so you'll have 4 in a row. Then you're going to want to split your strands up into 4 sections. Since you have 8 strands, each section should have 2 strands. And you'll load each section with 10 small beads and 3 large beads. And then you're going to repeat this 3 more times. So each section should have 4 rows of 10 small beads and 3 large beads total. Then you're going to load 14 small beads onto each individual strand of fishing line. Taking 2 strands that are next to each other but not from the same group, you're going to load a large bead onto it. So you should have 3 in the middle, and then you'll have your 2 remaining strings on either side that you'll combine into one. And then add another large bead so that each section has 2 large beads. Next, add 14 small beads to each section. Okay guys, this is the last step. You're gonna gather all 8 strands of fishing line together, and you're going to add 2 large beads, 1 small bead, and then you're going to repeat that 3 more times. And then I added 1 more small bead at the end just for a little flair. After I tied it several times, I realized that the fishing line likes to slip a little bit, so I used a lighter to actually burn and seal it, but please be careful if you do this. Thank you guys for watching, and if you make this, please tag me on Instagram. I want to see your creations, and I will see you guys next time.